Hi, I'm Laia. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you how to crochet this MiuMiu style scarf. It's very easy to follow. Okay, let's get started. First, we start with 21 stitches. If you feel the scarf button is not wide enough, increase the stitches of multiple of 3, like 24, 27, or 30. Okay, I will go with 21. Then add 3 more chain stitches. Back to the first loop from the hook. Keep working on 21 double crochet in the row 1. Three chain stitches to start row 2. Work on 21 double crochet in the row 2. Three chain stitch to start row 3. In the row 3, work on 3 double crochet. One chain stitch. Skip 1 stitch, then work on 3 double crochet. One chain stitch, 3 double crochet. Repeat the pattern. One chain stitch. Work on 1 double crochet. Turn the project. Work on 3 chain stitches. We perceive the 3 chain stitch as 1 double crochet. So at the beginning of row 4, work on another 2 double crochet in the foundation chain stitch. So these 3 double crochet count as 1 pattern. 1 chain stitch, 3 double crochet. One chain stitch, 3 double crochet. Repeat the pattern at the end of the row. Work on 1 chain stitch, 1 double crochet. Repeat the pattern until the scarf length meets your expectation. This is the result of my last night work. Then we finish the scarf with 2 rows of double crochet, like we do at the beginning. Hide the yarn tail with Tapestry needle. Now I have a nice scarf. Saved $800, right? Okay, this is today's video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.